Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make a Glam logo. This Glam logo is super easy and beginner friendly. All the apps that's used will be listed down below in the description box. Also, some apps are paid for that I use, so I will also list free version apps that you can use as well. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So the first app that I'll be using is the Phonto app. You're just going to open up a blank black canvas, and then you're going to add white letters. You can use whatever text or whatever font you want, whatever size you want. Just make sure the canvas is black and the letters are white. And then you're going to save this image. And this is going to be for the glitter letters. Now in the PicsArt app, you're going to open up the image that you just saved, as you see here. And then you're going to go to the bottom where it says add photo or add image. And then you're going to scroll or find the glitter layer that you want to apply. And then once you apply that glitter letter, you're going to size and scale everything exactly how you want it. As you see here, I'm just sizing and scaling and making sure everything fits perfect and cover all the letters. And then where you're going to go to blend mode at the bottom and then go to darken. And then that's just going to make the letters transform into the glitter letters. And then you're going to save that image. So now going into the SuperimposeX app, you're going to click on the image that you just made for the glitter letters, and then you're just going to erase the background. This is a paid app. There is a free app called the Eraser app that you can use. You can also use PicsArt to erase the background as well. But this is just the app that I wanted to use in this video because it's a little more faster than what you can do in the Eraser app, but it kind of does the same thing. So if you want to do a free version, you can always use the Eraser app, and I will have that list down below in the description box. So I also wanted to add just the basic cursive for my name. So I went back into the Phonto app and opened up another blank canvas. This time it's going to be a white background. You can use whatever color you want, just as long as it's a solid background. And then just make sure the text is a little bit different. So then you're just going to add whatever text you want, size and scale how you want, make it the color you want, and the font that you want. You can also change the width of the text by going to stroke and going to the bottom where it says width, and you can make it bigger or smaller. I wanted it a little bit bigger because my text was cursive, so I wanted to make sure you can actually see it once I erase the background. So you're going to save this image, and then you're going to reopen this image and superimpose, and then you're just going to erase the white background, kind of same as we did for the glitter letters. Now going back into the Phonto app, you're going to open up a blank black image, and you can use whatever size you want. Now to add the circle, you're going to go to the 3 lines at the bottom corner, and then you're going to add whatever shape you want, and just make sure the shape is white, and then you're going to save that image. All the steps going forward are the same as the glitter letter. So you're going to open the image in PicsArt, apply the glitter letter, save it, and then you're going to open it in whatever eraser app that you're using, and then erase the background. Once you have the image that you want to use in your logo, you're going to erase the background of it. Again, you can use SuperimposeX, you can use the eraser app, you can also use PicsArt to erase the background, and that's just what I'm showing here is me erasing the background. Now that you have majority of the pieces that will be used in your logo, you're going to open the Canva app, and then you're going to go to where it says logo, because that just pulls up the perfect size for me every time. So I just use that template, and then you're going to go scroll to where on the left hand side where you see the cloud, and then you're going to click on that. I don't know what I'm doing right here, but you're going to click on the cloud, and then at the top where you see upload image or video, you're going to click on that to upload all of the things that we just saved. As you see here, I have everything pretty much saved already, so I don't have to do any uploading. So I'm just going to start adding in things one by one. And now how I got the gradient effect design in the background, you just go where the little shapes are on the left hand side, and then you're going to click on gradient, and then you're just going to add that. You can also change the color at the bottom of the screen. As you can see here, I'm just moving the image backwards so that my image is in front of it, and then you're going to click on whatever color you want it to be, and then that's how you can change the color to whatever color is best fit for your logo. So the last thing I'll be doing is going to shapes, adding the circle perimeter around my glitter circle just to kind of frame everything in. I'm going to move that image to the back so that it's behind everything else, and I'm going to change the color to pink. So yeah, that's pretty much it for how I made my glitter glam logo. If you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment something down below, let me know that you liked the video, or if you want to see any other videos like this from me. Also, make sure you hit that subscribe button, girl, because I know you're watching and I know you watched it. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because you watched to the end. So go ahead and join the family, and I will see you guys in my next video.